Welcome to Condo, your ultimate destination for chic and budget-friendly condo decor ideas. Today, we're diving into affordable condo living room decor, stunning ideas for small spaces, a must-watch for anyone looking to elevate their living space without breaking the bank. Whether you're a minimalist or someone who loves cozy vibes, we've got you covered. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for weekly condo decor inspiration. We'd also love to hear your ideas and questions, so be sure to drop them in the comments below. Let's make your condo the envy of everyone. In today's video, we'll explore 11 practical and creative decor tips tailored for small living rooms. Let's jump right in and turn your condo into a stylish haven. Small spaces thrive on furniture that does double duty. Think ottomans with storage compartments, sofa beds, or coffee tables that convert into dining tables. These pieces are lifesavers when you're short on square footage. Opt for furniture that fits snugly into your space while serving multiple purposes. This not only saves room, but also helps maintain a clutter-free living area. Bonus tip: go for neutral or light-colored furniture to make your space feel larger. Investing in multifunctional furniture is an affordable way to maximize utility while adding a touch of modern style to your condo. It's all about function meeting fashion. Mirrors can make a small condo living room feel twice its size. Placing a large mirror strategically on a wall can reflect light and give the illusion of depth. If you're working on a budget, consider thrift shopping for vintage mirrors. Group smaller mirrors together to create a unique wall feature that's both artistic and functional. Remember, the goal is to bounce natural or artificial light around the room. This hack not only brightens up the space, but also makes it look more open and airy. When floor space is limited, think vertical. Install sleek shelves, wall-mounted cabinets, or floating bookshelves to make the most of your walls. Use these storage solutions to display your favorite decor items, books, or plants. Keep the clutter off the ground for a clean and organized look. Vertical storage is not only practical, but also adds personality to your condo. It's a fantastic way to showcase your unique style in a small space. Light colors can do wonders for opening up a small living room. Opt for soft hues like white, beige, or pastel shades for walls, furniture, and decor. A cohesive color palette makes the space feel seamless and inviting. Pair light colors with natural textures, like wood or wrought tan, for a warm, cozy vibe. Accents in darker or bolder shades can still work. Use them sparingly for throw pillows, rugs, or wall art to create subtle contrast without overwhelming the room. Nothing breathes life into a room quite like greenery. Small potted plants, hanging vines, or even a statement fiddle leaf fig can elevate your condo's aesthetic. If you're short on time or have a not-so-green thumb, opt for low-maintenance plants like succulents or snake plants. They're affordable and hard to kill. Place plants strategically to complement your decor, on shelves, coffee tables, or in corners, to add a refreshing touch of nature to your small space. Lighting can transform the mood of any living room. Combine different light sources like floor lamps, wall sconces, and string lights to create depth and ambience. Use warm, soft lighting for a cozy feel or brighter LEDs to make the space feel larger and more functional. Don't forget dimmable options for maximum flexibility. Affordable lighting doesn't mean compromising on style. DIY lampshades or thrifted fixtures can bring a chic and unique vibe to your condo. A stylish area rug can anchor your living room and add personality. Choose patterns or textures that complement your furniture and color palette. In open-concept condos, rugs are a great way to define your living room area and separate it from adjacent spaces like dining or kitchen zones. Rugs are versatile and affordable. They can soften the space while adding warmth and comfort underfoot. Wall art can make or break a room's vibe. Choose prints, photographs, or DIY art that resonate with your style. Gallery walls are a trendy and affordable way to add character. Mix and match different frame sizes and styles for a curated look. Don't forget about alternative wall decor like macrame hangings or peel and stick wallpapers. These options are budget-friendly and easy to switch up. Decorate with personal touches like photo frames, travel souvenirs, or unique finds from local markets. These items tell your story and make the space truly yours. Accessories like throw pillows, blankets, and vases can instantly transform the look and feel of your living room. Experiment with textures and patterns for a dynamic effect. Remember, less is more in a small space. Carefully curated accessories can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere without overwhelming the room.